Howdy hoes! What's going on? Another day. Fuel gauge stopped working again. Went down to 0 and it wasn't dropping as fast as I thought it should be. So we're gonna pull the bed off again, or tilt it up. Pretty sure I showed the video before. But the bolt right here on the end, somewhere around here, is the only one I got left on there. And then I'll show you why everything leaks still, and why I need a new fuel tank. So I'm gonna get going, and I'll be back. Howdy hoes! What's going on? Another day. Fuel gauge stopped working again. Went down to 0 and it wasn't dropping as fast as I thought it should be. So we're gonna pull the bed off again, or tilt it up. Pretty sure I showed the video before. But the bolt right here on the end, somewhere around here, is the only one I got left on there. And then I'll show you why everything leaks still, and why I need a new fuel tank. So I'm gonna get going, and alright. So I think the wiring connector is broken and I need to buy a new one. There are kits online. But to show the issue here, shitty stamped steel, and on this side you can see there's no folded over part, and this one is just completely broken. That's not doing shit. Ah, come on. Yeah, no good. And this here, oh, don't fall in there. Okay, so this is what broke on the old one. You can see on the wire on the left, the little black thing, that's all burned up on the old one. And this was working until yesterday. Let's put this back down for a second. This connector here is the issue, and there's replacement ones you can get. So I might look into doing that. This seems to work. I don't have any errors on that, but it's just vacuum pressure signals, something, I don't know. But I cleaned the crap out of this and it started working, but I think one of the little connectors inside is too rusted and doesn't want to work anymore. I'm gonna fidget around with it a little bit more and see if I can't get it working again, because that would be really awesome to have a working fuel gauge. We'll be back though. Alright, start off the lawnmower noise. I want to finish this video. I'm getting cold and I'm covered in fuel again. That sucks, but it's working. The little pins in here were not getting good enough contact, so I bent them down, and now it's working. I would show you proof, but I don't have enough fuel in there, and I'm not going to fill up till tomorrow. And I'm also going to rig this up with a piece of 2x4 to push down, so hopefully it doesn't leak so much fuel when I'm filling up, because it's not good. Anyways, I'm gonna get back to that. Maybe I'll update. I'll have to, because I gotta do a closing video for this closing bit. Anyways, be back.